Number 9, maximize z is equal to minus x plus 2y is subject to the constraints are x greater than or equal to 3, x plus y greater than or equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6 and x, y greater than or equal to 0. Now the given problem, maximize z is equal to minus x plus 2y subject to x greater than or equal to 3, x plus y greater than or equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6 and x, y greater than or equal to 0. First draw the line, draw the graph of x is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis passing through 0, 3, 0 and putting 0, 0 in the inequality x greater than or equal to 0, 3. So 0 greater than or equal to 3 is not true. Therefore, the half plane is away from the origin. Then next draw the graph of second line. Draw the graph of x plus y equal to 5. X, y values. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Putting 0, 0 in the inequality x plus y greater than or equal to 5. 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 5, which implies 0 greater than or equal to 5 is not true. Therefore, the half plane is away from the origin. Now draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line. X plus 2y equal to 6. X, y. X is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. Now putting 0, 0 in the inequality x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than or equal to x implies 0 greater than or equal to this is not true. So here x not greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 3, y greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the half plane away from the origin. since x greater than or equal to 3, comma, y greater than or equal to 0, therefore the feasible region is above of the x-axis and right of the line x is equal to 3. Now draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First line 0, 6, 0, 5 and 5, 0. So join the points. And this is a line x plus y is equal to 5. Next x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis and perpendicular to x axis passing through 3. This is the line x is equal to 3. Next line 0, 3 is point, 6, 0 is another one point. Now join. Here the name of the line x plus 2y equal to 6. Here is right, this is up, right here this side. So the common regions here, visible regions. Now the corner points A of 6, 0 and B is the point of intersection of these two lines. C is the point of intersection of these two lines. C find these two point of intersections. Now solving. X plus y is equal to 5 and x plus 2y is equal to 6, getting the point B. So solve this two. X plus 2y is equal to 6, x plus y is equal to 5, subtraction y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 1 in x plus y is equal to 5, x is equal to 4. So the point therefore B is 4, 1 and solving x is equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 5. We get the point C. Now put x is equal to 3 in x plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. Therefore C is 3, 2. 3, 2. Now find the Z values of the corner point. Here are the corner points. A of 6, 0, B of 4, 1 and C of 3, 2. This is not a convex polygon. So this is unbounded region. The feasible region is unbounded. The feasible region is unbounded. Here corner point, the z equal to minus x plus 2y. Now the corner point a of 6 comma 0, z is equal to minus 6 plus 2 into 0 is equal to minus 6, and b of 4 comma 1, z is equal to minus 4 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2, minus 2. C of 3 comma 2, z is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 1. So here actually this is a maximum. As the feasible solution region is unbounded, therefore z is equal to 1 may or may not be the maximum value. Draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. Actually this is the objective function and 1 is the maximum point. So that one equal to the maximum value. Here this is unbounded region. So I want to prove this is the no maximum value or minimum value. So using this concept. Now draw the line. X is equal to 0. If x y is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. This line also draw the graph, same graph. Now the points 0, 1 by 2 and minus 1, 0. So join these 2 points. Actually this is the feasible region. For unbounded solution only do this, draw this line, otherwise no need the line. This one used to prove it has no maximum value. Putting 0, 0 in the inequality, minus x plus 2y greater than 1. So 0 plus 0 greater than 1, which implies 0 greater than 1 is not true. Therefore the half plane is away from the origin. For this the graph of inequality minus x plus 2y greater than 1, and check whether the resulting half plane has points in common with the feasible region or not. The resulting feasible region has points in common with the feasible region. Therefore, z equal to 1 is not the maximum value. Hence, z has no maximum value.